Hello everyone, welcome to the SPOTO free CCNP exam demo live webinar. We are thrilled to have you here with us today. My name is Lucy, and I will be your host for this section. Whether you are just starting your CCNP journey or looking for that final push to success, you are in the right place. Come with me today. Today's session is going to be packed with useful information and interactive activities. We will be doing a CCNP pre-test together, so get ready to test your skills and knowledge. During the test, I will also be showing you real exam questions and answers, which will help you prepare for the actual exam. But that's not all. We have exclusive offers for you today. You can get your target exam dumps and the CCNP training course at a lowest price. So make sure you stay around till the end of the session to find out how you can get these fantastic offers. Yes, welcome new members. Getting Cisco certified is a good way for you to excel in your career. I have personally benefited from getting certified. That's why I want to help others achieve their career goals by passing the Cisco exam. Getting certified in IT can help you increase your salary or find a new job. According to studies show, the average yearly salaries of technicians who have obtained the CCNA and the CCNP certificates have increased by almost $81,000 and $109,000 respectively. Yes, it's a high salary, right? To get certified, we need to practice a lot and be fully prepared for the exam. So I have prepared CCNP core exam pre-test test for you in all tracks like enterprise, data center, security, collaboration, and the service provider. But before that, I want to briefly introduce Cisco CCNP certification. CCNP is an advanced level certification that validates a professional's ability to plan, implement, verify, and troubleshoot complex enterprise networks. It focuses on core networking technologies and solutions, including advanced routing, switching, security, automation, and more, preparing individuals for roles like network engineers and systems architects. Also, it validates the breadth and depth of your knowledge in a technology area. CCNP is offered in 5 tracks: enterprise, data center, security, service provider, and collaboration. Achieving CCNP certification proves your skills with enterprise networking solutions. Taking CCNP Enterprise, for example, you need to pass 2 exams to earn CCNP Enterprise certification, a core exam and an enterprise concentration exam of your choice, and every exam in the CCNP Enterprise programs earns your individual specialist certification, so you can get recognized for your accomplishments along the way. Okay, now getting ready for the most exciting part of session. We are doing the CCNP core exam test now. Welcome new members. Yes, you can leave your answer in the comment zone. And here's a special gift for all the winners who answer all the questions correctly. You will receive a fantastic bonus prize of free CCNP core official guide. Yes, let's do it now. Question 1. What is a benefit of a virtual machine when compared with a physical server? A. Multiple virtual servers can be deployed on the same physical server, without having to buy additional hardware. B. Virtual machines increase server processing performance. C. The CPU and RAM resources on a virtual machine cannot be affected by other virtual machines. D. Deploying a virtual machine is technically less complex than deploying a physical server. Okay, now you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, time's up. Let's see the answer together. Yes, the correct answer is A. A primary benefit of a virtual machine is server consolidation, which allows multiple virtual servers to operate on a single physical server without additional hardware purchases, reducing costs and optimize resource usage. This contrasts with physical servers that typically require dedicated hardware for each instance. Now go to question 2. What is the role of the vSmart controller in a Cisco SD-WAN environment? A. It performs authentication and authorization. B. It manages the control plane. C. It is the centralized network management system. D. It manages the data plane. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. We will see the explanation after 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B. It manages the control plane. Here is the detailed explanation. You can see this after we answer all the questions, and you can see the replay again. Okay, let's go to question 3. Which resource must a hypervisor make available to the virtual machines? A. Bandwidth. B. IP address. C. Storage. D. Secure access. Please leave your answer in the comment section and let me know your skills. Yes. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C. A hypervisor's fundamental role is to abstract and allocate physical hardware resources to virtual machines. Among these, storage is an essential resource that must be made available for each VM to install its operating system and applications. Question 4. In a Cisco Catalyst switch equipped with 2 supervisor modules, an administrator must temporarily remove the active supervisor from the chassis to perform hardware maintenance on it. Which mechanism ensures that the active supervisor removal is not disruptive to the network operation? A. SSO. B. NSF/NSR. C. VRRP. D. HSRP. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, time's up. Let's see the answer. Yes, the answer is SSO. You can see the details here. Question 5. Which Cisco DNA Center application is responsible for group-based access control permissions? A. Design. B. Provision. C. Assurance. D. Policy. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment zone and let me know your answer here. After 30 seconds, we will see the answer. Okay, please check the answer here. Yes, the answer is D. The policy application in Cisco DNA Center is specifically designed for creating and managing group-based access control policies. Yes. So the answer is D. Now we go to CCNP 350501 test. Question 1. What are the 4 primary components of an API? A. GET, PUT, delete, and set. B. Running config, startup config, violent database, and routing database. C. Methods, actions, objects, and formats. D. Modularity, abstraction, stability, and resources. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please let me see your answer in the comment zone. Okay, welcome new members. We are doing a CCNP test. If you know this answer, please leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is C. Yes, these are the 4 foundational design components for building a robust and maintenance API. Question 2. An ISP that provides private network services across the country has recently migrated their infrastructure to support MPLS technology. A network engineer configured MPLS IP on all routers and implemented the OSPF routing protocol with TE extensions in the backbone area. The ISP wants to ensure that label exchange is performed only on MPLS-enabled interfaces that are associated with the IGP instance. Which action must the engineer take to accomplish the goal? A. Implement MPLS LDP sync on all routers in the segment. B. Update the routers in the segment to use RSVP-TE for label distribution. C. Enable Cisco Express forwarding on all routers in the backbone area. D. Implement MPLS LDP auto-config on all routers in the segment. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please type your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is D. Implement MPLS LDP autofit configure on all routers in the segment. You can see the detailed explanation here. Question 3. What is the primary purpose of secure ZTP? A. To automate the secure provisioning of network devices during initial deployment. B. To provide secure remote access to network devices for management and troubleshooting. C. To provide real-time threat detection and mitigation for devices in the network. D. To securely and seamlessly encrypt traffic across the entire network. Okay, leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the answer here. The correct answer is A. Secure zero-touch provisioning is a process that allows a new device to automatically boot up, securely connect to the network, download its configuration and software image, and be fully provisioned all without manual intervention on the device itself. Okay, let's go to question 4. What is the main purpose of EVPN? A. To provide application-aware networking capabilities in a cloud environment. B. To provide simplified and flexible underlay connectivity for private VPN services. C. To provide advanced security features for IoT devices. D. To provide scalable, interoperable multi-tenants in data center and cloud networks. Okay, be careful, watch this question and leave your answer in the comment zone. We have 30 seconds to finish it. Okay, let's see the answer here. The correct answer is D. EVPN is a sender-based control plane technology that separates the forwarding plane from the control plane. Its primary purpose is to enable scalable Layer 2 and Layer 3 VPN services across a provider's MPLS or IP network, offering efficient multi-tenancy for modern data center and cloud interconnect. Okay, let's go to question 5. Yes, it's a long question. Please read it carefully. A regional company is planning to bolster the security of their LAN infrastructure by implementing advanced encryption techniques between their core switch and their distribution switch. The solution must leverage hardware-accelerated encryption capabilities to transparently encrypt all traffic between the two switches and the data link layer to safeguard against unauthorized access. However, it is important for the solution to have minimal impact on network performance and latency. Which action must the engineer take to meet the requirements? A. Implement MAC CC with AES-256 encryption on both switches. B. Enable SSL VPN with SHA-256 encryption on all interfaces on both switches. C. Deploy an IPsec tuner with MD5 hashing between the two switches. D. Enable L2TP with ISA encryption on both switches. Okay, you have got 30 seconds to read and answer this question carefully. We will see the answer together. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A. You can see the details here. Now let's go to 350601 data center call exam. Yes. Question 1. A QoS policy on Cisco UCS must meet these requirements. Now, no job class must be configured. 2. Jumbo frames must be enabled without fragmentation. Which configuration must be implemented to meet these conditions? A. Configure slow gen timers and specify an MTU value of 9100 bytes. B. Configure Platinum system class and specify an MTU value of 9100 bytes. C. Create a flow control policy and specify an MTU value of 9000 bytes. D. Create a QoS system class and specify an MTU value of 9216 bytes. Okay, please choose the right answer in the comment section within 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is D. Please read the details explanation here. Question 2. Which component is disrupted when a Cisco Integrated Management Controller is upgraded on a Cisco UCS series server? A. Data traffic. B. KVM sessions. C. SAN traffic. D. Cisco UCS Manager. Okay, leave your answer in the comment zone within 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B. Upgrading the Cisco Integrated Management Controller firmware requires a reboot of the CIMC service itself. This process temporarily disrupts the out-of-band management interface, which includes active keyboard, video, and mouse console sessions. Question 3. An engineer configures a role for a new user in Cisco UCS Manager. The role should allow the user to configure VHBAS, VNICS, and the server port types. Which role should be assigned to allow the engineer to complete this task? A. Operations. B. Server compute. C. Network administrator. D. Administrator. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C, Network Administrator. You can see the detailed explanations here after we answer all the questions. Question 4. What occurs when running the command install deactivate file name while a software maintenance upgrade is performed on a Cisco Nexus 9000 series switch? A. The current upgrade stops. B. The current set of packages is committed. C. The package is removed from the switch. D. The package features for the line card are disabled. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please let me know. Yes, welcome new members. Please leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer together. Yes, the correct answer is D. The package features for the line card are disabled. Okay, question 5. An engineer must perform a non-disruptive software upgrade on a dual supervisor Cisco Nexus 7000 series switch. What is the cause of the upgrade being disruptive? A. The kickstart image is installed by using the install or kickstart image system image command. B. The show install or impact command is not issued before the upgrade. C. Change to the configuration settings on the network connections during the upgrade process. D. Attempt to simultaneously upgrade more than 3 cards. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the question answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C. During in-service software upgrades on a dual supervisor Nexus 7000. The process is designed to be non-disruptive if the system remains stable and the conditions are met. Making configuration changes or modifying network connections during the upgrade can interrupt synchronization between supervisors, cause traffic drops, or force a disruptive fallback, thereby breaking the non-disruptive nature of the upgrade. Okay, let's go to CCNP Security Core Test Quiz. Question 1. Which IETF attribute is supported for the Radius COA feature? A. 81 Message Authenticator. B. 42 ACCT Session ID. C. 24 State. D. 30 Calling Station ID. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment zone, and you will have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C. The state attribute is specifically supported in Radius COA request to identify and manage a user session. It allows the Radius server to dynamically modify or terminate an active session by including the same state value returned during the initial authentication. Okay, question 2. A company identified a phishing vulnerability during a pen test. What are 2 ways the company can protect employees from the attack? Yes, you need to choose 2 answers for this question. A. Using Cisco FTD. B. Using Cisco ESA. C. Using Cisco Umbrella. D. Using an inline IPS IDS in the network. E. Using Cisco ISE. Okay, please choose 2 answers in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is B and C. Option B directly blocks phishing emails by filtering malicious links and attachments before they reach employees. Option C prevents access to phishing websites and malicious domains by enforcing DNS layer security, stopping users from connecting to harmful sites linked in phishing attempts. Okay, question 3. Which 2 capabilities does an MDM provide? Yes, let's also choose 2 answers. A. Unified management of mobile devices, Macs and PCs from a centralized dashboard. B. Delivery of network malware reports to an inbox in a schedule. C. Unified management of Android and Apple devices from a centralized dashboard. D. Manual identification and classification of client devices. E. Enforcement of device security policies from a centralized dashboard. Okay, please choose two answers in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the answer is A and E. Yes, you can see the details explanation here. Okay, let's move on. Question 4. How does a cloud access security broker function? A. It is an authentication broker to enable single sign-on and multi-factor authentication for a cloud solution. B. It scans other cloud solutions being used within the network and identifies vulnerabilities. C. It acts as a security information and event management solution and receives syslog from other cloud solutions. D. It integrates with other cloud solutions via APIs and monitors and creates incidents based on events from the cloud solution. Okay, please answer the question in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is D. A cloud access security broker functions as a security policy enforcement point positioned between cloud service consumers and providers. It primarily integrates with cloud solutions via APIs to monitor activity, enforce security policies, detect threats, and create incidents based on events and data from those cloud applications. Okay, question 5, last question. What are two characteristics of Cisco DNA Center APIs? Choose 2. A. Postman is required to utilize Cisco DNA Center API calls. B. They do not support Python scripts. C. They quickly provision new devices. D. They are Cisco proprietary. E. They feel the overall health of the network. Okay, please be careful. This you should choose two right answers. Yes. Okay, please check the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C and E. Okay, let's go to CCNP 350801 test. Yes. Question 1. Which two conditions must a user meet to provision a new device using a self-provisioning feature? Choose 2 also. Yes. A. The user must have the appropriate universal device template linked to the user profile. The user must have at least one user device profile assigned. C. The user must have a primary extension. D. At least 2 DNS must be assigned to the user device. E. The user must be part of standard CCM superuser. Okay, please type your answer in the comment section with 2 correct answers. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A and D. Okay, let's move on to question 2. Which 2 configuration elements are part of the Cisco UCM tool fraud prevention? A. SIP trunk security profile. B. Partition. C. Calling search space. D. Subscribe calling search space. E. Feature control policy. Yes, this question also have 2 correct answers. Please answer it within 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B and C. 2 answers, yes. You can see the detailed explanation after we answer all the questions. Okay, for question 3, how are E.164 called party numbers normalized on a globalized core routing environment in Cisco UCM? A. Normalization is achieved by stripping or translating the core numbers to internally used directory numbers. B. Core ingress must be normalized before the core being routed. C. Normalization is not required. D. Normalization is achieved by setting up calling search spaces and partitions and SIP trunks for PSTN connection. Okay, please choose the right answer in the comment section. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A. In a globalized Cisco UCM core routing environment, E.164 called party numbers are normalized using translation patterns or transformations that strip, add, or modify digits, such as country codes, exit codes, or trunk prefixes, to convert diverse international dialing formats into a standardized internal directory number format. This ensures consistent routing and number matching within the system. Okay, question 4. Which wildcard must an engineer configure to match a whole domain in SIP route patterns? Yes, there are 4 symbols here. You can choose the right answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A. You can read the detailed explanation after on the test. Okay, question 5. An administrator must implement toll fraud prevention on Cisco UCM using these parameters. 1. First, enable forced authorization code 112211. Number 2, set the authorization level of 3 for the root pattern 90055511212. 3. Requires no access code to dial 10-digit numbers. How must the root pattern be implemented? Okay, here are 4 patterns here. Please read the question carefully and choose the right answer in the comment zone. Okay, time's up. Yes, the answer is D, pattern A005XFSX. Yes. Okay, that's for all the questions here. I see many of you type answer in the comment zone. Yes. If you answer the question correctly, please contact admin on the group and to get free CCNP official guide. Yes. Also, if you are preparing for the CCNP core exam and still feel like you need more practice questions, don't worry, we have got you covered. Today we have amazing offer that you won't miss. Yes, we are excited to announce that CCNP core exam like in-core, SP core, DC core, and S core and CL core are now on huge sale for a limited time only. And then the original price for CCNP core exam dumps is, yes, $400. And now you can see here, we can get it at, yes, $210. Yes, nearly 50% off. Yes, you will have to act fast. This offer is only available for the end of today, and once it's gone, the price will return to its original price. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss this amazing offer. And also, next month, on February 8th, some Cisco exam will change based on Cisco policy. So please order today and take this exam as soon as possible before the big change. Okay, for the CCNP concentration exam, we will have the huge offer in 2026 as well. The original price for the CCNP concentration exam is, yes, $300. Yes, but for today it's only $160. Yes, you can save up to $140 directly. This is your best chance to grab this invaluable resource at an unbeatable price. And also, attention here, question of in-core, CL core, and some dev core are about to change soon. So please grab this final chance with our special offer to complete the CCNP core or concentration exam before the huge change. Yes, also there are past report on February, so you can buy now and start as soon as possible. Yes, here are the SPOTO Cisco dump service rule. The written dump format is VCE, yes, which is similarly as the exam format, and we also provide generally 8 days to access written dumps, and the written dumps are on remote server. Our remote servers offer 24 hours and 7-day access for study and review. And we support flexible study, means you can buy now with lowest price today, but get started whenever you want. We count the service period when you ask us to send your dumps to your email. Yes. And you may wonder how to order. Yes, it's very easy. You can register on our official website, input your email, and then click send. And then your email will receive a verification code, and you input here and input your password, and then click register now. Then you'll find the product link the admin send you. Click buy now and input the special coupon code also to reduce price, and then you can choose PayPal or all-in-pay with your debit or credit card to finish the payment. Yes, so why choose SPOTO? Many people said SPOTO is expensive than other competitors. Yes, but don't focus on the price only. You should focus on the quality. Yes, we have 100+ verified questions and answers, and we can help you pass with minimum time than those cheap but invalid dumps. Yes, also we have 7 days and 24 hours professional support. We have service team to follow your study. Yes, that's why we stand out from others. Also, SPOTO was founded in 2003. SPOTO specializes in IT certification and structural past materials for 23 years. Yes, SPOTO has helped more than 100,000 candidates achieve their goals and get many IT certifications like PMP, CCIE, Oracle, Amazon, Microsoft, and Cisco, and so on. And more than 2,500 CCIEs are from SPOTO. Yes, this red flag means we have the global reach in over the world. Yes, in many countries we have students there. As of February 2026, we have more than 550,000 learners, and we have helped over 2,500 CCIE holders, and we launched over 300+ products and served over 152 countries and regions. Also, we have experienced expert teams which can help you to get the latest study materials and with help your training journey to be smooth and pass the exam in the first try. Also, here are the real customer reviews in the Trustpilot. You can search SPOTO exam in the Trustpilot. There are lots of useful reviews for customers. Yes, they speak highly of SPOTO. Yes, like wonderful materials, best exam prepare team, the best service experience. Yes, well, yes. Yes, besides Cisco, SPOTO can provide many more IT certification services, but due to time limit, I cannot introduce one by one. If you want to introduce any one of them, like PMP, AWS, Microsoft, ISCA, Palo Alto, Fortinet, Aruba, and so on, you can ask the admin to share more info to you and join the group link on the comment zone. On the top of the comment zone, yes, and ask admin for the special offer. Okay, how time flies. It's going to finish our live webinar today. Thanks everybody. I hope this session has given you valuable insights and the confidence to take the next step in your CCNP certification journey. Remember, with SPOTO's proven resources and expert guidance, Achieving your certification goals is closer than you think. Don't forget to check out our exclusive CCNP study materials and training programs to accelerate your success. If you have any questions, feel free to join our IT study group and reach out to our admin. We are here to support you every step of the way. Enjoy your new year, and I will see you next time. Bye.